Hindi. Teka, huwag mo yung script ko. Teka, nandito yung question eh. Sabay ba talaga kayo dumating? Oh. Sabay ba talaga kayo dumating? Did you guys arrive together? Using one car? Convoy? Okay. Next question. Oh, hindi, nandun eh, nilagay eh. Hindi ko sinigslap ng script eh. Okay, of course, endorsing Century Tuna is something you fulfill, but you've been using, or you've been eating Century for a very long time, yeah? And how about you, Angel? How do you feel naman working with Phil on this project?
I feel.
Yeah, Phil. May feel.
Well, ako syempre, I'm happy kasi syempre nadagdagan na naman ng bagong kapamilya. Ang napakalaki at napakasayang family ng Century Tuna. So, welcome, Phil. At happy rin ako syempre si Phil kasi first time namin makita together talaga sa isang ad. At ito ng Century Tuna yun. And dito nakita ng tao, first time kami dito. And I'm very...
Okay lang yan. Tubig. Tubig.
Alam mo, sabi ako didikit sa mga.
Blocking tayo dyan.
So maraming salamat sa Century Tuna. And pangilang taon ka na ba ito? Pangalawa?
This is your second time.
Oh, yun. So, ibang klaseng suporta talaga. And I'm very happy and I'm very proud na nandito pa rin ako sa Century Tuna talaga.
Ayun. Next question. Nanood ka daw ng game nung Sunday. Sino nagsulat nito? Ano ba? Loaded naman ang mga question
kasama
dito.
Yung question. Diba? Kasi kung ano yung binawan niya sa game, diba? So, kung may dala siyang Century Tuna.
Tama, Angel, nanood ka daw ng game nung Sunday. Phil, how do you feel about it? It's for you. How do you feel about it?
She's my lucky charm. So.
No. Sabi ko naman, daming tanong eh. Dire-diretsin ko na. Okay, judging naman sa nakita natin sa TVC kanina, talaga naman may chemistry kayo together. It's really a fresh concept that really inspires us to be healthy and of course, bring out the best in everybody. Which such fit bodies, of course, both of you can bring out through each other and get into a healthy lifestyle. Kaya we're dying to know. Let's start with Angel naman. How do you keep your fit and your sexy body? What's your routine? Ano ba kinakain mo aside from Century para ma-maintain ang figure mo?
Yeah, well, after matapos yung Immortal and yung Name of Love, mas nagkaroon ako ng time to work out, yan. And syempre, importante talaga sa lahat ng balanced diet. And of course, ang favorite ko, Century Tuna Flakes and Oil na sobrang versatile, tasty, and healthy nga naman.
Versatile, tasty, and healthy. Very good word selection. Versatile.
Nakahapon ka pa.
Ito, Phil, ikaw naman. How do you maintain this body that we see in the billboard?
See, being a football player, it's important to be disciplined, and what you eat is very important. And with Century Tuna, it's low in cholesterol, it's high in omega-3, so it's important that helps me keep concentrated at a long period of time. So it's great for my personal work, and it's obviously tastes very good. So.
Okay. You talked about concentration. When Angel is around you, are you more concentrated or how do you describe your feeling?
Sorry?
When in Tagalog, pagkatabi mo si Angel, naguguluhan ka ba o nakaka-focus ka lalo?
Focus.
Focus na focus. Not hocus pocus. Very good answer. Let's all clap. Very good answer.